I've added more data to the list for more products and copied the formula and format to the new rows of data. Let's add some controls to sort and filter the data. Click anywhere in the data, like cell A1, and then click on this icon for Sort and Filter. Use the pull-down and choose Filter. It provides tools to both filter and sort the data. Excel adds these pull-down controls on the header of each column. Let's sort the list to find the product with the highest sales. Simply click on the pull-down for the column sales value, like this, and choose largest to smallest. And the highest value is now at the top. The best-selling item was Daffodils Small Bunch, with a total quantity of 1,214 sold for a sales value of $10,780.32. The item with the fewest quantity sold can be found by selecting Cell for Quantity, using the pull-down, and sort smallest to largest. And we see it was a decorative ceramic frog, quantity 7. The filter sort control on the first column allows us to sort alphabetically, like this, sort A to Z. We can also filter. Let's use it to find all of the roses sold. So in the search box, I just type rose, and there they are. We can add a second filter on the field price to find all of the items with roses with a unit price less than $40. So click on the pull down, number filters, less than 40. And there were two items, a standard red roses a dozen and standard yellow roses dozen. To show all of the data again, click on the filter and click on clear filter, and we'll do it again for the bouquet type. Finally, let's add some simple formulas to calculate the total quantity and total sales. Let's create a new row at the bottom called total. Move to the right for the field quantity, and we click on the AutoSum icon. There are several options, sum, average, count. Let's choose sum. Excel shows a preview of the formula. It looks good. And we sold 2,144 items. Let's do the same on the field for sales value. So click on AutoSum for a total sales value of $36,532.42. I've added some formatting to the totals row. It turns out that an item was missed. Let's add a new row. Click on a row in the middle of the data, somewhere above the totals row. I'm clicking to the far left to highlight an entire row. And I go to the Insert icon and choose Insert Row. The items were zinnias, 24, at a price of $34.79. Note how Excel automatically adds the formula. And let's delete the rows with the plastic pots and ceramic frogs. This analysis is meant for bouquets only. So we select the rows. We could use the delete icon on the ribbon, or I'll show you another way. Right-click to bring up the context-sensitive menu and choose delete. Now we've lost the sort order. You can see the zinnias are in the middle, so let's resort the bouquet type. Click on the control and sort A to Z. Oops, Excel included the totals row. That's not what was intended. For now, let's just undo the sort by using the Edit Undo icon. In part 2, in a few minutes, I'll show you a more advanced totaling and sorting feature that keeps the totals rows separate. Now it's time for some tips and tricks to work faster and smarter. From any cell, right-click and Excel shows the context-sensitive menu. It shows two pop-up boxes, one with icons for controlling font, alignment, and number formats, and the second shows some commonly used functions like copy-paste and insert-delete. I'll center this cell, change the font color to red, and change the font size to 18, just to show you what can be done. In general, Excel places the most commonly used functions for a particular type of cell directly in the right-click menu. If you can't find what you're looking for on the ribbons, try the right-click. This completes the first part of the course. I've shown you how to enter and edit data, create simple formulas, and use AutoSum. I've shown you how to format fonts, alignments, and numbers, and how to copy formats from one cell to another with the Format Painter. I've shown you how to insert and delete rows, and columns work the same way. I've shown you how to filter and sort the data in a list. In the second part of the course, we'll work with a more realistic set of data and complete a full sales analysis, including pivot tables with charts.